everyone. Today we are writing about what we think is the best lunch to eat. So I hope you enjoyed watching the video about students who showed their parents what they like to eat for lunch at school. Now you don't have to do something you'd eat at school. You could do something you eat at your house, whatever you like to eat for lunch. So we have our opening and we have our closing. Now friends, this is how it's going to look tomorrow when you have your assessment or your test. And the goal is for you to have the two middle sentences, the two reasons or opinions in your head. And that's what we've been practicing memorizing. So I'm going to start. In my opinion, I think blank is the best lunch. So I'm going to say, in my opinion, I think pizza is the best lunch. Now, do you remember what goes right here? Think in your head. There are two sentences. Can you remember the first one? I'll give you a second to think. It would be, I feel this way because. If you remembered that, way to go. And if you didn't, you can keep practicing till you memorize it. You also want to be able to spell the sentences correctly. So I feel this way because, so I'll tell you why I feel this way. Pizza is cheesy and delicious to eat. Okay, so there's one reason. Am I done now? No, I have one more sentence. Can you remember that sentence? It's another reason, another opinion. I'm going to give you a second to think about it. Okay, if you said, I also think this because, you are correct. I forgot to say this 5 times. I feel this way because. 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 And then my second sentence, my second opinion sentence, I also think this because. 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 So let me tell you why else I think pizza's great. I also think this because there are many pieces in a pizza and you can share with your friends and family. Okay, am I done? No, I'm not done. Don't forget this part. I have to have a closing. That is why I think, well, what am I talking about right now? I'm talking about pizza. That is why I think pizza is the best lunch. Now, let's read this opinion paragraph. In my opinion, I think pizza is the best lunch. Don't forget the comma after opinion. I feel this way because pizza is cheesy and delicious to eat. I also think this because there are many pieces in a pizza and you can share with your friends and family. That is why I think pizza is the best lunch. Okay, friends, please don't forget to keep memorizing those two middle sentences so that you're ready for tomorrow to do it on your own. Okay, see you tomorrow.